Yo YouTube, this is gonna be my my hydro build on my Omega diesel drift car build, M51 engine. I found this, I'm not sure exactly where it came from, but I've got like loads of metal hanging around where I live, so found this bar with a little hole in the bottom, which will make quite a good hydro, I think. And so just looking at it, it looks like it feels pretty good like this. I've got a cheap master cylinder I just bought for cheap on Amazon, so I'm gonna be trying to do like a setup with the master cylinder here, hydro here next to the steering wheel. I think that should be pretty nice, so I'm going to do kind of a bit of a GoPro POV of me building it, so hang along. And yeah. If anyone watching my video, the handbrake is done, and I've made an adapter. I made a little plate under here, just welded some freaking screws onto the bottom, like this, and this on the weld onto the tunnel. The handbrake itself, very functional, lots of travel, does what it's meant to do. It only cost about 20 euros to build. So then, having it here would be nice. Built the plate, but it wasn't very easy. As you can see, the tunnel's pretty thin, especially at the bottom, and I was honestly making some holes. There's a little hole there, but I don't really care too much. But the plate feels freaking pretty sturdy, so that's not too bad, and I could have made more of a mess, so I'm not too pissed. Anyway, here's the hydro. I'm gonna mount her up, pop her in place. That's what she gives, that's how she looks. Obviously, I like the feeling she gives, like that. No. Now that stop the fan and grinded it down. Okay, it seems to have worked. In the end, is I had to deleted ABS on this car, and so I run just a little T here. This is just for the front brakes, going off of the master cylinder. This is a Opel Omega, and this one is marked H, so H goes to the rear, and I'd actually screwed up and put that on the front, which was a big mistake, but I looked into it and this one's labeled H. It's kind of hidden, so I'm not going to show it to you, but and I think this is V. So V goes to the front, which just T'd into the two front brakes. H goes into this line, which I've plumbed into where you normally have the AC lines coming in. I just modified this block, and I've run it through a little rubber hose so it doesn't rub around. And then so that line I just showed you going through the AC unit goes down next to the pedal on the side here, up into the rear of the cylinder, and then it all comes back out. It's an inline system. Goes. I'm sorry guys, I'm freaking tired. It's like 2 AM. Goes back out, and then goes down in a rubber line again, down here, down next to the tunnel, and then into that T-fitting I probably sort of managed to film. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think this should work once it's bled.